Okay, this is your carbonator. It makes the soda water. So nice and easy. First of all, standard 10 amp plug. Plug it into a power point. Don't turn it on at the power point until everything's ready to go. All the other parts are plugged in. So over here, you have your pump. This is water inlet. The water comes from the water filter into here. Now, it needs to have a pressure reducer on it to about 350 kPa. If you have more water pressure than 350 kPa, the water pressure overpowers the gas pressure in here. This safety switch will trip and you'll get water coming out of here. So the water reducer on your water filter is quite important. Now, if you've got a previous post-mix installation, you should already have that installed on your water filter. So cold water goes into here. Now it comes with a standard 6mm attachment, which is just a push-in fitting, so the hose just pushes straight in. I have included, or will include, with the fitting section, a whole heap of expanders and reducers. So if you do need it to go up to a 10mm fitting or a 10mm hose, we can organize that for you as well. Now, over here is your 6mm line for your gas. So from the gas regulator, the gas comes from the gas bottle to the gas regulator, from the gas regulator into here. This is a standard stainless steel barb connection. The hose just gets a clamp put over it, pushed over on top of here, and clamped into place. Now, the gas pressure for the carbonator needs to be around 80 psi, which is around 550 kPa. Anything under 72 psi, it won't carbonate, everything will come out flat. And if you go over about 600, you're basically just, 600 kPa, which is about 100 psi, you're just wasting gas. So around 80 psi, 550 kPa is the gas pressure you're wanting to hear. Now, the last ones are these three here. Now, this comes with a standard, sorry about that, comes with a standard 2 outlets. So we needed 3 outlets for your soda water on this one. So we have 1, 2, 3. These are 3 soda water outlets that go to the 3 inlets on your beer cooler. So these are your 3 soda chilling lines. They are 10mm, but once again, we will put converters in. So if you need to convert it down to 6mm, because I don't know what fitting sizes are on your beer chiller, you'll have the option to do both. But if, assuming they're 10mm, we'll have 10mm line. It'll come straight, clamp it onto here, run it to the inlet on each of your inlets for your beer chiller. So line 1, line 2, line 3, and that's your 3 soda lines. And you'll have 3 coming out of your beer chiller going to your guns, but we'll cover that later on. So that's really all there is to it. So standard power point, don't turn it on until everything else is plugged in, water inlet, gas inlet, and 3 soda outlets. There is a test switch here, which if you ever need to make sure that the actual the thing's working, you can hit it and it'll turn the pump and everything on. The way this is designed is it's got a probe and it only turns itself on and on, off and on, as the probe detects that the water level is low in here. Now, when you first turn it on, it may be full of water because the water filter will turn on and fill it up with water if you don't turn the gas and everything on. So you may need to hold the soda water button down on your gun for a little while. You'll hear this motor kick on and make more soda water. It'll fill this back up again. I would hold the soda on your first use. I would hold the soda water button down until you've heard this motor kick on at least 3 times. So hold it down, let it drain this. This will kick on. Take your finger off the soda button. It'll fill up. It'll turn off. Drain it. Let it fill. Drain it. Let it fill. Just to flush out the tank and flush out anything bad that's in your lines, and so it can make everything nice and fresh. But that's all there is to this part.